Until now, every response appeared only after generation finished. Streaming changes that by showing tokens immediately as the model produces them. Invoke returns only after the model finishes just generating the complete answer. This leaves users waiting before they see any output. Instead of waiting for everything, streaming delivers each generated token immediately, so your application updates continuously while generation continues. Stream returns an iterator of response chunks. This allows your application to display text immediately as each chunk arrives. Both call the same model, but Stream begins returning output immediately, making applications feel dramatically more responsive to users. Streaming isn't limited to models. Entire LCEL pipelines stream naturally, with every component passing chunks through automatically.
Calling stream on an LCEL chain feels identical to streaming a model, even though multiple components work together internally. Astream provides asynchronous streaming, letting web servers continue handling other work while responses stream back to connected users.
The model still spends the same time generating text, but users receive the first token much sooner, greatly improving perceived performance.
Whether Stream provides streaming a model or an entire LCEL pipeline, the API stays consistent, making applications simple to build and maintain.
Streaming improves responsiveness without changing model quality, making chat applications feel faster while scaling naturally across LangChain pipelines. This identical request now appears gradually, letting users read while generation continues instead of waiting for the completed response. You've learned synchronous, streaming, and asynchronous responses. Next, we'll scale up to multiple agents working together on harder problems.